Yeah!
Make the tiger's head by drawing an upside-down letter C. Next, we need to add a fluffy white beard at the bottom of the head. Start on the left side and connect one end of the C to the other, giving your tiger indents to show his fur. Well done! Now, on either side of the top of the head, we'll add 2 small ears so our tiger can listen to the sounds of the jungle. This tiger's ears look like an orange wedge. Draw a straight line sticking out from the top of the head and add a curved line to make your small wedge shape at the bottom, like this. Do it again on the other side. Now our tiger has 2 ears. So far, so good. Now we'll add our tiger's face so he can purr, yawn, and roar. In the center of the head, draw 2 small vertical ovals for eyes. Underneath the eyes, add a long, flat heart shape for the tiger's nose. Underneath the nose, draw the mouth by adding a downward-facing arrow. Now, let's separate the tiger's beard from its face. Start on the left side of the tiger's head and draw a small line that goes just past the 2 furry indents. Now, draw a small semicircle up to the tiger's nose. Then do the same on the right side. Perfect. We'll give our tiger a strong body for running and climbing trees. The body looks a little bit like a boot. Draw a straight line downward from just left of the center of the tiger's beard. Then draw a straight horizontal line toward the right that extends just past the end of the tiger's head. At the end of this line, draw a curved quarter circle, followed by another slanted straight line back up to the head. Remember, we want it to look like a boot. In the middle of the body, add a long oval for the tiger's belly. Great work, everyone. Our tiger is still missing paws to pounce with. Add 3 half circles along the bottom of the body. Inside each half circle, add 3 more little half circles, like small hills for the tiger's claws. Last but not least, our tiger needs its most important detail, its stripes. Our tiger's stripes are shaped like pointy triangles. At the end of the tiger's body, add a curved line as if you were drawing a circle. At the halfway point, curve the line over and connect it back to the body like a backwards letter C. The last important thing this tiger needs is a tail, which helps it keep its balance while jumping or climbing. On the tiger's head, add 2 triangles that point toward the tiger's eyes on both sides of its face. Add 1 triangle pointing down from the middle of its head. Add 2 small triangles inside your tiger's ears. On the tiger's body, add 3 big triangles down its back and 1 triangle just above its tail. Finally, add 4 stripes on the tiger's tail and 1 last stripe at the end of the tail. Your tiger looks fabulous. Tigers have some of the brightest colors of all animals. Do you remember what they are? We'll color our tiger in with orange and black. Do you have your colors ready? Let's go. Use the orange color to fill in the tiger's head, body, and tail. Use black to color in all of the tiger's stripes.
Woohoo!
His eyes, nose, mouth, and claws. Fantastic work, everyone. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs and activities on our YouTube channels, and more play